All right, we've made it to part C, which is the hardest part of the test. It's the 5 final questions. Amina and Bert take alternate turns tossing a fair coin. Amina goes first, and each player takes 3 turns. The first player to toss a tail wins. If neither of them tosses a tail, then neither of them win. What is the probability that Amina wins? Amina goes first, and if she tosses a tail, she automatically wins. So she already has a 50% chance of winning on her first turn. So that's 1/2. The other way that Amina can win is if she gets a tail on her second try, because basically it has to be Amina gets heads, Bert gets heads, Amina gets tails. The third way she could win is if nobody gets tails, and then Amina gets tails on her third try. If you add all of that up, 21/32a. Question number 22. 3 distinct integers a, b, and c satisfy the following 3 conditions. Multiply them all together, you get 17,955. A, b, and c form an arithmetic sequence in that order, so the distance between a and b is the same as the distance between b and c. And finally, 3a plus b, 3b plus c, and 3c plus a form a geometric sequence in that order. We know that there's an arithmetic sequence, so that means that a plus some constant d is equal to b, and b plus that same constant d is equal to c. We want to get everything sort of in the same terms. So that's our one piece of information. Let's call that star. The geometric sequence means that the ratio between these two numbers is the same as the ratio between these two numbers. In other words, 3b plus c divided by the first one, 3a plus b, is equal to the largest one, 3c plus a, divided by the middle one, 3b plus c. Now, let's substitute a and c with our other equation.
A few moments later.
D is equal to negative 12b over 7. Now we can go back to our equations for a, and a must now be equal to b minus this guy, which is 19b over 7, and c is equal to b plus that guy, which is equal to negative 5 over 7 times b. Now we can multiply all of these together, because a times b times c is now equal to, this is a, b is just itself, and c is equal to this. And all of that we know is 17,955. Therefore, b is equal to negative 21, and you'll get that a is equal to negative 57, and c is equal to 15. Question asks you what's a plus b plus c. You add all of these together, and you get negative 63.